All right, so we have here, we're gonna have something on the back of the car today. I'm gonna put a rear windshield louver on it, just like the side one I have. But this one comes in two pieces where we have to put them together first. And then I did a test fit earlier, which is really good. It looks pretty good. And the view in the back doesn't really block off that much. All right, let's get into it. All right, so now we flip to the back, and there's 4 holes for the screw to go on. Actually, I don't know why they didn't put another 2 tabs here, but it kind of just goes like this. I already have 3 of the screws on. That's the last one. And here. So it's somewhat tight, but once we put the whole thing on it, it should be stay on pretty good. Other than this part, it's kind of just flopping around. So let's bring it up. So once I lay it on, it would be something like this. Looks pretty good actually. Alright, and he also provided this kind of metal tab and some double-sided tip that come with it. So we're gonna lay it down on here. I'm gonna have to use the flat side on the windshield. Alright guys, so we actually just put it on now, and it looks amazing. Let me just show you guys with the side, with the overall look. So it actually just hold on with some nuts right here. I just hand tied it, and they come with some gasket between this and the windshield. I put it on anyways. It's supposed to prevent it from getting bumpy, like swinging around. But yeah, so it's actually really easy to take the whole thing off too. I just have to hand unscrew out every single one of this, and I will be able to take the whole thing off, which is what I'm gonna do, so I can take out my decal and buy new decal to put on top of the louver. And now I'm gonna go for a round to see if it like wiggle a lot, and I'll see you in the car. Alright, so now we have the car running, and we are on track mode and sports mode, so we get the full power out of it. And let's look at the back real quick. So the view of it is not that bad. You can actually see pretty good with the louver on. But the real question is, does it like wiggle around when we drive? Let's find out. About to go. Alright, and that will do it for the videos. Let me know if you have any questions down below. Maybe I'll do another one in the morning. Just a quick walk around and see how it looks during the daytime. Alright, so it's been a night with the car. I did fix up a little bit the gap right there. So yesterday when I was going for a drive, it was bouncing around, and now I still have a little wobbly, but it should be less. And now I'm about to head to work, So I'll see if I need to put more of the foam on it or not. Alright, this is how the car looks right now during the daylight, so you can see better than yesterday. Yeah, it actually looks pretty good. So maybe next month I'll do another videos to see if I have the wing yet, or how is this one going in a month. Alright, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for some new video coming up. Please give a like and subscribe. Alright, see you guys next time.